Carter, can you read me a book? Okay. What is it? Can you do it? Look at Mommy and do it. What is this? What is this? Good job. That's a frog. Oh, what's that one? Pig. Almost. Pig. Okay, what's the next one? Is that a mouse? Okay, what's the next one? What is it? A dog. Good job. What does the dog say? Oh, what's this one? Yeah, horse. Good job. What's the next one? Oh, we're back to the frog again. Okay, do the next one. What's the next one? What's this one? What is it? Is it the cow? What does the cow say? Good job.
Cool.